Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get scuffs out of your Air Jordan 5, so check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty restoring kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright, guys, so there's only two things you need to get these scuffs. Right here, you can see like crayon and stuff on these. I don't know what was happening to these. How to get this out, okay? So, all you need is some rubbing alcohol, okay? And a Q-tip. That is it. Now, when we are doing this and getting this out, all we're gonna do is we're gonna put some on the Q-tip, and we're gonna start slowly going, not applying too much pressure. So it's gonna be kind of like circling it around like this. You can do this a little bit, but don't dig in and go like this. Once you do that, it's gonna start taking off this finish, and then you're gonna see a difference in the tones and stuff. So we're gonna take it slow and gradually get those scuffs off. So let's dip this in. Make sure it's not like dripping off, but put enough on. All right, so again, you see it right there, right? So now we'll start slowly. It's not gonna be like right away. It's gonna take some time to get it off, but you'll see. So we're already getting a lot closer. You can see there's a little bit of the yellow and then a little bit of this pink now, but for the most part it's starting to come out. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the alcohol on and try to get that out. Now usually this will come out a lot quicker. This is like crayon or something, which I've never really done it with, so it's gonna take a little bit longer with that. But like scuffs like this and stuff, those come out pretty quickly. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. I don't know if that's a scratch or a scuff. Look at this shoe. Yeah, like this, for instance, like that'll come out pretty quickly. Actually, just so you guys can see, I'll show you that scuff right there and that toe. That'll come out pretty quickly. And usually that's what you guys will be dealing with. So not getting on. There we go. And it won't take that long. Like it's pretty much instant that it comes off. Alright, see you guys. It's gone. It's already gone. That little line is just a scratch that's underneath it, but got that gone already. So yeah, like scratches like that, or scuffs like that, it comes out pretty much right away. Obviously this is crayons, is a little bit different. But like I said, for the most part, we're starting to get it out. Alright guys, so that's how to get scuffs out of your Air Jordan 5s. As you can see, we got them all out. Each side, okay? Got those scuffs out. You know, we also did ice up the bottoms, and we got some of these creases out as well. Also fixed some paint on here, and yeah, I mean, look at the ice, guys, too. If you guys want to see how to ice your shoes, check out my other videos. I do a lot of videos on icing the bottoms of these. These ones came out really good, and like I said, those scuffs and like crayon marks came out. So these are good. If you guys have any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it up. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So it's Scotty Restores Kicks. Today, you know, we got some of these scuffs out. Let's see what we do next time. I'm gonna see you then.